my latest journal that I made. I didn't mean it to look Christmassy, but it's turned out looking green and red, so it's like Christmassy. Okay, I have like just my journal written down here, and I put some like cabochon little sticker things over that to like make it pop up. I made the key, and it matches the key's made. I just put the cabochon with the glass dome, matches this paper here, and tied a ribbon. And this one I did with a Velcro clasp. And then when you open it, the inside we have a pull tab, and then we have 4 different like just you can use for space markers, bookmarks, whatever, right? And on every 5th page I have like a little writing thing, and I also have the first quarter of the book has the red roses all the way through, and that's that. The next divider has some pull tabs with lines for you to write on those as well, which I've distressed. And then there's these ones as well you can use for markers, or you can write on the backs. There's 4 of those. So there's 2 pockets here. You got this one and that one. So I'll put it together again later. I just want to show you the pages. On this page we have 4 other like large pieces that you can put notes on. So I've got notes written on all the back. Of course everything's distressed, and that's just a little pocket. And then more of this, and this quarter has like a yellow rose, and every 5th page has another little note thing. Then this I have a covered notebook, so you've got like another 50 pages there to write on. And on this side we have 2 pockets again, so we have more markers or bookmarks or tags, and you can write on them if you really wanted to. And then the larger ones, take them out, and there's 3, and on the back I have notes. So that's all distressed and written on, and you can write notes on that too. I'll put them in later. So then the 3rd quarter of the book, I have a butterfly. It's a Poppy Parade red. And then next pocket has 6 of these. You can write on, or you can use them as tags, etc. And then this is your pocket on the side all the way down, and the same on the other side, except you could write on this too. It's an old one. It's dated February 1912. And then it has the same 6 tags as before, so you can write on them or put them as a, write it as a gift. Then my next quarter is the yellow butterflies. Here I have like, you could use it for prayer requests. So if you pick this up, you just have the square paper. I like the grid paper because I can write straight. So when you've done with this prayer request one, you can use the one underneath, and you can just keep adding to it, or you can take them out if they're answered prayers, blah blah blah, right? So you can just keep adding to this, and I just put the cover on it so people wouldn't see it if you happen to open your book. And then this is your last just cover page. I don't have anything on that, and that's the back of the journal. Hope you enjoy. So then you just Velcro it shut, and that's it. Thank you for watching.